Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my hair before and this is my hair after. I did a challenge for 2 weeks. Okay, as you can see, I have growth, like a lot of growth. If you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll be showing you guys the ingredients I use. So loves, this is the mint leaf I'll be using first. If you have the dry one or the fresh one, you can use, does not matter. All right, then our next ingredient we're using is phenom seed. This is the phenom seed we are using, and the next ingredient we'll be using is rosemary. This is the rosemary we'll be using, and I'll also be dropping the benefits on the screen. So we need a clean jar just like this, and we'll be adding our ingredient in the jar. I'll be using the proportion of the ingredient we're using is half teaspoon, okay, because this is my tablespoon, but I'm not going to be using full of it. I'm using half teaspoon. All right guys, so this is the benefit of rosemary. Rosemary is used to maintain your hair, to grow your hair follicles. It improves blood circulation in your scalp, okay. And this also added phenol which strengthens your root, it hydrates your scalp, it increases hair growth. So these are amazing benefits for hair growth, and this is mint leaf. Mint leaf is used to promote hair growth. I'll be adding hot water to this, and I will allow this to infuse for 8 hours. I got a message asking me where can this recipe be infused. You can keep it in your kitchen cabinet, okay, like on top of your kitchen cabinet. After 8 hours, this is what we had. I had to change it just to change the container. All right, so after this I will strain, and this is the recipe. I'll be putting this in my spray jar, okay. Then you can store this in the fridge. All right, after 5 days please dispose of this recipe. All right, so this is what we have. I'm going to be spraying this on my hair for 2 weeks, okay. This is me spraying it all over my hair. I washed my hair, and I'm going to be using this as my leave-in. Then I'll apply my leave-in condition, I'll apply my butters, I'll apply my oil, okay guys. And I'll braid my hair, and after I braid my hair, I'll keep on spraying this on my hair every other day. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for the subscription. Like guys, you guys are the best. I can't believe where we are. Like I started this my YouTube channel. I think that was 2 months ago or 1 month ago, thereabout, and we're almost in 300 subscribers. I'm really really grateful. I'm happy about the views, about the subscription. Thank you all for the sharing and all. Please, thank you, thank you. I'm just going to say thank you. Okay, yeah. Please watch the end of this video. So loves, after adding the oil, I'll massage it on my hair, and I'll braid my hair, like put it in the lines of my hair, massage everything just to hydrate it. And after this, I will braid my hair. This is my hair butter. As I said, I'll be using oils, butter, leave-in condition, just to keep our hair from drying out, okay. My hair is always moisturized anytime I do a wash day routine, or anytime I do a hot oil treatment, or anytime I'm spraying all this leave-in spray, hair growth spray on my hair. After spraying it, I'll go in with my hair oil, I will go in with my hair butter, I will go in with my DIY hair growth oil and butters, and then leave-in condition. Okay, so this is the oil. I'm going to do the same thing in the second side of my hair. I'll do this all over my hair. Okay guys, please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. So here in my channel I do natural ingredients to promote your hair. If you're suffering from thin edges like me, or your hair is falling off, or you are suffering from alopecia, please subscribe, watch other of my videos relating to alopecia and the rest. We are in our hair growth journey, growing out our edges, growing out our getting a new length, okay, length retention and the rest. So if you enjoy any of my video, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn notification bells to notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, I'll just be repeating the same routine till the end of the video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Yes, thank you all so much to our new subscribers that joined the family. Thank you. My YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth. If it's what you are interested in, kindly keep on benching and stay tuned. So I'll see you all in my next DIY video. Bye for now.